Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making egg in a hole in the air fryer. For this recipe I need egg, bread, shredded cheese, and seasonings. I'll just use salt and pepper. We also need a pan that fits inside the air fryer. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the pan with a non-stick cooking spray so the egg and toast doesn't stick to it. So now I'm going to take a slice of bread and I'm going to cut a hole using a small glass. So now take the bread and put it in a pan. And I'm going to crack an egg in a hole. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with shredded cheese. So just add shredded cheese. And seasonings. I'll sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And you can also take that circle that you cut out and put it next to it so it cooks as well. So now let's put the pan in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this egg in a hole. It looks amazing. The bread is so nicely brown. The cheese is melted and the egg is cooked. So let's carefully take it out of the air fryer. It looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. So this egg, it's pretty well cooked. This was 8 minutes. It's 380 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you want it to be runny, then cook it for about 6 minutes. Now let's try it. Tastes amazing. So good, you'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!